Hello and welcome to my review show unboxing. I know it's been a while, it's been about 4 months since I last uploaded a video, but this was a special one because I am unboxing the LEGO Creator 10254 Winter Holiday Train. That's 734 pieces! And I thought I'd do another unboxing at Christmas time. So, all we have to do is tool the titles! Hello there and welcome to the LEGO Creator 10254 Winter Holiday Train unboxing. Now, let's begin, as you would say. So here we go. So let's see what we have got then. We've got 16 curved tracks. Well, we have got a number 2 bag there, number 1 bag, number 2, and number 3, and then number 2. We've got the bag with the wheels and the couplers. And bag 3, and we have got the instructions, which are very nice to have. So I'm going to give you a close look at everything. So 16 piece of track there, just number 1 bag. You've got 3 in the number 2 bags, you've got 2 number 3 bags, and you've got the instructions. That's it for the unboxing of the holiday train. But I'll be back next week when I am going to be showing all of the best bits that have been happening in my videos this year. The year 2016. It's been an amazing year, especially for the special effects, I can say. And my videos have gotten better, and I have finally reached 60 subscribers and nearly 40,000 views. And it's all thanks to you. Yes, you viewers out there who watch my videos. Now, all I can say now is thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next week for the final video of 2016. I'll see you then. Bye for now.